A great way to attract clients and customers is to serve and not just sell. Are you tired of chasing after clients and customers? It can be so tiring and exhausting, I totally know. I mean, when you got into your profession, no one ever taught you how to market. After getting all that training and all that credentialing, you're actually amazing at your profession. But how do you actually start to get clients and customers who actually want to work with you? I understand, I've been there too. I've gone to workshops where they just tell you, Krista, just sell yourself to get business, which makes me actually cringe. Doesn't it make you? Well, I'm gonna ask you to stop. Just stop doing it. It does not work. Hi, I'm Krista Mashore, CEO of Krista Mashore Coaching, and I want to show you one of the strategies that I've used to go from 0 people actually knowing me on a national level to actually generating over $7.4 million in just 25 short months, doing what I'm going to talk to you about right now. I did it by serving, not just by selling. Though I wish I had invented this concept, I didn't. The serve, don't sell philosophy is used by many big giants, the ones that you know of, like Whole Foods, Apple, and IKEA. Business gurus call it relationship marketing or content marketing, but I call it engagement marketing because the focus is on engaging your community. You don't have to take my word for it. Do your own research. This type of marketing is the new norm of best practice. Down the road, of course, someone's going to undoubtedly come up with another best practice. My goal is always to be the first in my area to actually adopt these best practices and to apply them into my business. And it's actually your job too. You want to do the same. To establish true connections and relationships and to actually engage people in your community, you need to go deeper, to get more creative, and also to offer more value than that. In the good old days, professionals used to hit the golf course and schmooze and build relationships that way. I've seen financial planners and business consultants actually trolling network parties and events and having the specific purpose of actually giving out tons of business cards to anyone they could actually corner, right? I've seen chiropractors give wellness seminars that really just turned out to be sales pitches for their own services. The practice of engagement marketing is nothing like that. As a community market leader, you're going to engage people and build relationships by offering your knowledge and outstanding service. You're going to actually do it in a way that reaches thousands of people in your community, yet still has a very personal touch. I know this works because I've done it and I've taught so many people to do it as well. When I show up to an appointment, people act as if they've already known me for years, even if they've never met me. They treat me as their good old trustworthy friend just because I've offered tons of information and service through social media and other marketing avenues like what you're watching right now. Wouldn't you prefer to have a client show up in the first appointment with you totally trusting you and actually committed to working with you? When they already know the value that you give, that's what actually happens. You can be the nicest person in the entire world, but the person your community people flock to is the one who has the expertise and who they see as the authority figure in your field. And think about it, we all do that. We want to work with the people that we like, but when it comes down to it, we pick a dentist, a surgeon, even a manicurist based upon their expertise, not just their personality, right? You have to become an expert and an authority where you share your valuable knowledge with your clients and your community. Engagement marketing is a part of developing trust from your community, having them get to know you and to want to work with you because they like you and feel like they know you and trust you even before they meet you. You've given them a lot without asking for anything in return. You're their go-to authority. Again, I'm Krista Mashore. Let me know if you think this was helpful by commenting below. And as always, I'd love for you to share this if you're watching it on Facebook, and be sure to subscribe if you're seeing this on my YouTube channel. And as always, I'm here to serve. Krista Mashore Coaching, and I can't wait to see you later. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.